We know that the issue with the AI dream, we know, is power and energy. So if you were looking to roll out of NVIDIA or Microsoft or whichever one of these things is lagging, right? I would think that maybe rolling into energy would be the idea. It hasn't seemed to happen really yet. Energy still trades like crap. They've done a little bit better recently, but not particularly well. So it hasn't happened yet. But I would think, as a guess, that that would be where the rolling would be. If people were going to roll, they would sort of roll into the power slash energy sector. We're starting to see, not in heating oil, but in crude oil, we are starting to see with crude oil. We had OPEC, I believe, over the weekend announced that they were going to do another increase in supply. So let's see how the market reacts to that. It will be interesting to see how the market reacts to that. I don't know anybody high up in the government of the United States of America or Saudi Arabia. But if I had to speculate, I would say that these two groups are working together to try and keep the world supplied, or at least the U.S. Supplied with energy. I know the U.S. is pumping more crude than I think they ever have before, but that doesn't last. If the price keeps going down, then they pump less. This is what supply and demand of commodities is.